Usually my husband and I have dinner that I have often cooked. How do I spend my day? I pass 3 hours in the kitchen and I feel satisfied. I spend 6 hours in front of my computer and I spend half an hour every day in front of the mirror in my bedroom. She really cares about her face. Like us, Nasim works in the theatre. In Iran, men and women aren't allowed to touch each other on stage or kiss. Women aren't allowed to sing or dance, but she gets on with it. She isn't afraid or oppressed by where she lives. I am not one of those people who are proud of their nationality. But at the same time, I am not ashamed of it. Iran is a country full of contrasts. To me, wearing a scarf has become natural. To others, it may seem unnatural. I have accepted the fact that I live in a country with strict religious rules, but inside my house and far from the outside world, I do not follow these rules. You see, it's just part of her life in Tehran, although she was born in Isfahan. My mother's family comes from Mashhad. It's on the eastern part of Iran. Once my sister brought home a boyfriend for dinner, and he asked for some ketchup to put on my mum's Persian rice. Really went down well. I auditioned for this role as an actress with an Iranian descent. See, I'm not really Iranian, I'm an Israeli. But I did say that in the audition, didn't I, Jemma? I did, I made it clear. And besides, I don't need to be Iranian to understand Nasim, and I'm not saying it's the same thing, but we do have similarities. We are both from the Middle East, and people from the Middle East, we speak differently than you do. We don't speak with the tip of our tongue. We use our whole mouth, our face, our hands, our whole body to communicate with each other, but you wouldn't know that. You just wouldn't know that because you don't understand us. I mean, literally, you don't understand us.